everything you will ever want, but in the spicy and numbing twist. Hello everyone, welcome to DS Travel. I'm Dan. I'm still in Wuhan right now. I got up early so I can experience the full breakfast experience in Wuhan. It's called 过早 through the morning. Let's go check it out.
Hey.
老板，你们开多少年了
32年
？32年。
33年了啊
！20多岁做到50多岁，刚刚。这个好吃的秘诀是什么？
实在。东西要真，因为我们都是老武汉人，我们知道以前的老味道是不过味的。
好，谢谢。
吃个这个。好的。
好，谢谢。Alright guys, we're at one of the local Wuhan street food place that's selling 热干面, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet, but it's packed with people. I already mixed the noodle and generously soaked with sesame sauce and I think chili oil, vinegar, soy sauce. Let's get to it. When you bite into it, immediately you feel the aromatic sesame sauce. That noodle really got a nice strength to it. It's crunchy, it's chewy, very close to that yellow hue ramen noodle. It's amazing. Now, let's try this tofu. They call it 干子. Oh, the tofu skin or the tofu is phenomenal. I mean, probably one of the best I've had in Wuhan so far. Slightly crunchy outside, really soft and tender inside, and that chili oil, oh, amazing. Definitely recommend trying that 干子 or that tofu. Let's try the beef. Tender, but still slightly chewy, so you get a meaty texture. On the salty side, honestly, but really nice flavor and savoriness. Oh, I still got an egg. Bouncy outside, nice savoriness from that broth. Amazing. Let me have some more bites.
这个做的就是当光的它是不放糯米的。
哎，漂亮。Guys, right up front, I heard there's a place selling some of the most unique and authentic Wuhan breakfast items. Let's go check it out. 老板，你们在这边开了几年了？
回来都10多年了这里。现在这个做的就是当光的它是不放糯米的，只给馅。这个很辛苦的，你像这种时候的，我基本1、2年都在起航了。这个食材都是新鲜的，传统做法，老手艺嘛，这个是。
漂亮。是啊。谢谢。Alright guys, I'm at a small breakfast spot. They're also selling 豆皮 and 豆皮 without sticky rice. To my understanding, it's basically egg pancake. But the owner says it's different. The batter is really different. Let's give it a try. I think we'll start with the 豆皮. When you first bite into it, immediately you feel that really filling sticky rice, soft, sticky, and almost a little bouncy. Then when you start to chew, you actually feel that crunchy crust with the egg aroma, really nice. And then the filling comes in. They have dry tofu, they have pork, they have bamboo shoot, so all kinds of flavor together, and really a fulfilling breakfast item. If you like sticky rice, this is a must try. I mean, in addition to that nice sticky rice and all the fillings, you get a nice crunchiness on top. Really nice. Let's try the 蛋光皮. This is an amazing egg pancake. Basically, egg pancake on turbocharged, deluxe version. You add all those fillings in there, bamboo shoot, tofu, and then pork. And the batter, it's fluffy, it's soft, and still with the slight crunchiness from the egg and the egg aroma. Oh, amazing, amazing. All right, guys, let me work on my stuff and we'll go for our next stop. See you guys. 好，谢谢老板，老板拜拜，拜拜拜拜，老板娘拜拜。This is 重庆口水鸡, a specialty of Sichuan, but I heard this place is amazing. Let's go check it out. 老板，你怎么会做这个口水鸡啊？
是我弟弟告诉我的，我的弟弟在重庆日照的时候专做口水鸡。
这个鸡子的特点就是皮是脆，肉有嚼劲，做了好吃。
大姐，你们一天卖几只啊？
我原先是卖20只
啊，
现在就是30只。早上5点钟左右，我们就开始鸡子回来了。早上9点钟就有鸡子卖，
卖到下午6点钟。
像你们小帅哥、小妹不是往上一传的话，是卖得快一些。卖得快一些，我就加了10个还是不够，但我们人多得多。
本来20只，大家来拍一拍，以后变30只了。
相当好吃哈，
生辣还是微辣？
正常辣吧。
正常辣好辣也，好搞个大的。
调料都是自己做，从来不在市场买。
这30多种嘛，后来摊子拉完了，放不下，有的东西就握一块了。
有的综合在一块。
啊，
对，韩汤味啊。
有那个鸡的鲜味在里面是吧？
对。
要泡多久呢
1个小时，这家味道最好。
好的，那我来试试味道。
好，行，好的。
好，
我的家里
谢谢老板娘。
Alright,
guys, I'm at 嫂子口水鸡, and this is a special type of Sichuan chicken, and it's basically boiled chicken with a lot of chili peppers, numbing spicy, and all kind of savory seasonings to marinate those chicken. And it's served relatively cold. They were just telling me that after they put the sauce in, the best tasting time is after an hour. But I'm here, I'm starving, I have to get started. The chicken breast was amazing. I mean, it's cooked just right. Tender, meaty, and just had nice chicken breast texture to it. And the flavor, I mean, savory, spicy, numbing, and actually has a very nice umami to it. Bouncy. Oh, getting a little spicy. Chicken skin. Bouncy, crunchy. There's no fat underneath. I think this chicken has been exercising. Really nice. Try the drumstick. I'm pretty sure this is free range chicken because you can really taste that tight muscular texture in the chicken thigh or drumstick. Wow, I really think that the soul of this dish is that sauce. They put like more than 30 ingredients into that sauce. So it's complex, it's savory, it's spicy, and it's numbing. It's just amazing. And you can put anything in there. Just even putting the shoe in there, it's gonna taste good. I might be exaggerating, but the sauce is phenomenal. Alright guys, I'm gonna save this, wait an hour and try again. And that's it for the stop. We'll go for the next stop. Alright guys, it's getting really late. It's like almost 10 p.m. and I'm still walking on the street in the night market trying to find our late night snacks. And I think we're gonna go try something really special. This is assorted cow parts hot pot. Let's go check it out.这是什么？
腊肉裤豆丝。
上菜了。好，谢谢。Alright guys, this is probably our last stop of the day. I'm here at 芳芳牛杂, assorted cow organ, spicy and Numbing style, and it's looking really nice. And I also order something that's special to Wuhan. It's called 裤豆丝. It's basically a mixture of soybean and rice and made into sort of like a noodle-like shape, and then deep fried to like a chips. Let's start with the meat, beef. Let's give it a try. Wow, bouncy, slightly chewy, but soft enough you can just chew through it, and really nice meaty texture. Savory, spicy, Numbing, and just all the flavors in that one piece of beef. That's amazing. Not the kind of assorted cow parts that I'm used to. I'm used to the Cantonese style, which is sort of sweet and mellow and mild. But apparently, that's not how they do things in Wuhan. Let's continue. I can't quite tell what's in here. Let's give it a try. Hot. Guys, that bite was so phenomenal. I mean, just a celebration of textures, all kinds of texture. Bouncy, chewy, crunchy, and meaty, and just with that some of the beef tribe that's scraped onto all the sauces, which is amazing. I mean, everything you will ever want, but in the spicy and Numbing twist. I'm loving it. There's one part of the cow that I have to try separately. That's the beef tendon. Beef tendon was amazing. It's actually been stewing for quite a while, so it almost melts in your mouth. Love it, love it. More tendon. Oh, another thing that you must have is a nice daikon or a turnip. The turnip was amazing. I mean, it's still a little crunchy. It's almost like a jello. Bite into it, it just slowly breaks apart and releases its like daikon juices and the sauces. So it's amazing. And I only had a few bites. I mean, I'm sweating already. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's sweating. Let's keep going. I think this is fried tofu in there. Slightly crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and soak up all the juices. You bite into it, it's just explosion of juices. Amazing. I mean, I gotta say, it's really a nice deal. I mean, 98 Chinese yuan is not a lot for assorted cow hot pot. This thing is amazing. I don't know the English translation of this, but this is amazing. Really, really crunchy and really, really flavorful. It's just like like one of the best chips that you can ever buy. I mean, maybe even better than that. Wow, this is amazing. Oh, and this is 腊肉. It's aged pork. And it just tastes like Chinese prosciutto per se. Try to age the ham with the 豆丝. Man, that's phenomenal. I mean, the chips are already amazing. Adding on aged pork, like sliced ham, oh, it's even better. Let me go back and work on my hot pot and that 豆丝. Still have a lot to eat and really enjoyed it. And we'll call it a night. We'll see you in the next street food video. Bye.